Hello and welcome everyone. I'm going to show you here how to make an input field on Figma. First, what you're gonna do is about to draw a rounded rectangle, and maybe the rounded rectangle may be something I don't know, but actually you can start to place a holder text which may be going on with a certain thing that is still ready to be satisfied with a certain thing that should be really found out with this situation that is already about to have it with a very good satisfying thing that is really going on to have it with a very good kind of things very quick. So what you gonna do, it's about to start to place a holder text like this, as you can see. And maybe we can just stroke and padding by going on with the stroke over here and padding with that kind of auto line, or maybe with that. And then maybe we can start to group both element like this, control A, and then right click and group selection. And that is all.